Alright guys, so if you really want to learn how to manage multiple social media accounts, this is the video for you. Right here on my screen, you can see I've got quite a number of Facebook accounts and I've been able to manage all of these accounts without being banned by Facebook. The secret is what I'm going to be exposing you to into this video. Alright guys, so one thing I need you to pay attention to is this. If you take a look at the Chrome profiles I have right here, you're going to be realizing all of these profiles are being powered by a proxy. Now, why do I use a proxy? The kind of proxy to use and exactly how to fix this up is what I'm going to be exposing you to. So the whole secret basically is to learn how to isolate each Chrome profiles from the other one. So let's say you have different Facebook accounts, different TikTok accounts, and you don't want to get them banned. The best thing for you to do is to isolate each one so that they operate differently from the other one. Now, the proxy I recommend and I use for this exact setup is called Evomi. So with Evomi, guys, you have access to different kind of proxies that can help you with your desired needs. Now, take a look at some of the proxies they have right here. For instance, now you can see they have residential proxies, they have the mobile proxies, data center proxies, and also the static residential proxies. Now, not all proxy sites actually gets to do this, but with Evomi, you have access to multiple proxies that can help you for multiple purposes. So all you need to do is to use the link down below to get access to Evomi today. Watch this video all through and see how to implement it, and also get to separate each Chrome profile from the other one so you don't have issues trying to manage multiple social media accounts. And if you ask me what kind of countries are available on Evomi, trust me, you have access to over 150 countries, meaning you can have your proxies work from 150 plus countries. It depends on what you want and also your preference. So taking a look at some of the locations they have right here, you're going to be realizing countries from United States of America, UK, Japan, Australia. Think of any country that comes to your mind, you're going to be finding it right here. They even have for Nigeria. I mean, that's amazing. So right here, you want to quickly use this button to create your free account. Now that you are right here on Evomi, now you need to pay attention to the kind of proxies you really want to work with. Okay, now for the purpose of this video and because we are trying to manage multiple social media accounts, there's a proxy for that, and that is going to be the premium residential proxy. So you want to click on that, and right from here you're going to be coming right to this very place here where we have the subscription tab, and you want to click on that, and from there you're going to be clicking on view plans. Now you're going to be finding the available plans for the proxies that you're trying to purchase. Now they have the basic plan and also they have the pay as you go plan. Now the difference between these two majorly is just the fact that one has to do with monthly renewal and the other one has to do with you exhausting it before you're able to renew. So I'll always work with the pay as you go plan. Why? Because I don't have to worry if my proxies are going to be expiring every month unless I get to exhaust them myself. And one of the super thing about Evomi is just the fact that you have multiple ways of purchasing your proxies, unlike other similar proxy sites that actually has to do with one or two method of you making payment. With Evomi, you have quite a number of payment options that you can work with. All of this is going to be based on your preference, and that is how I was able to purchase proxies directly on Evomi. It's simple and easy. So now that you have your proxies already purchased, let's move over to the next step. Alright, so for this next step, we're going to be making use of our Chrome profiles, and we need to have our browsers up and running. Now for this, guys, I'm making use of one browser because this allows me to have multiple Chrome profiles created, alright, easily without stress. And you can see right from here, I'm just going to be clicking on create a new profile. Now each profile I'm going to be creating, I'm going to be assigning our proxies we got from Evomi. Okay, so I'm going to click on create add a new profile, and right from here I'm going to give this profile a name. Very quick, I'm just going to give this a code name, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to come right to the settings tab. And mind you guys, it doesn't really have to be the same browser as mine. It can be any browser of your choice, but make sure you are making use of the Evomi proxies. Why? Because these are the exact proxies that you're going to be making use of to avoid being banned managing multiple accounts. So I'm just going to be coming over to the settings tab, Okay, and right from here, you're going to be having the proxy tab being displayed. Click on the proxy tab, and right here where you have the proxy type, you want to make sure you avoid using all of the proxies available right here, and you want to also go with user proxy. Okay, now this would give you access in using your own proxy. I mean proxies we got from Everme. So right here, I'm just going to quickly rush back to Everme, and I'm going to be creating my proxy link. It's simple. All you need to do is, once you've been able to purchase your proxy like I showed you earlier, all you have to do is to come over to the proxy generator. If you click on the proxy generator right here, you're going to be having some of the settings much easier if you follow this video. All right, now the first thing you want to do is to make sure you leave most of all of those things on default. Okay, and you come right here to the country tab. Now this is where you're going to be having access to choosing the particular country you want to work with. Now this is going to also be based on your preference. You know why you want to manage multiple social media accounts and the country that's going to be suitable for you. So for me, I always work with the UK, and many times I let this go on random. And you can also have the leverage of choosing the cities you want to work with, exact cities, and also you have access in choosing the exact region. So with Everme, you have this leverage of selecting what you want, and you're so sure to be getting what you want. And other things, I'm just going to be leaving them on default. And if you come right back to the top, you're going to be finding your generated string. Now this exactly is the link you're going to be copying, and you're going to be imputing into your Chrome profile. So quickly, I'm just going to copy mine right here, and I'm going to head back, all right, to my browser, and I'm going to impute that person link in there. And now guys, if everything works super fine, you're going to be having this green check mark that says proxy connected. And if you look down below, you're going to be finding information about those proxies, the exact country it's coming from, the IP, and so many other information. So this means that your proxy is connected successfully. So you can also repeat the same settings for other profiles. So the more profiles you're creating, make sure that Everme is the one powering them with its proxy. Okay, so right now guys, you can see I have everything turned on already and everything working perfectly fine. Now I can access any site that I choose to, any profile, any website I choose to, and I can have no issues making use of them. You can see Facebook is turned on already. I have Instagram, I have TikTok, and I have so many other ones like that. And this is how you get to manage multiple social media accounts without being banned. The exact scope is for you to isolate each Chrome profiles or each browsers from the other one. Why? Because you're not going to be tracked, no fingerprints, and everything looks unique and as if one person is the one managing each one of the profiles. So I hope you found this video helpful. To get access to Everme, the link is going to be down below for your easy access. Get your own proxies and start using them in managing multiple social media accounts. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do all to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.